Welcome to week 2 of my road to $6,000 challenge. Today the account balance is around $5,620, which is around $200 more than in the previous week. So I can say that it was positive week, not perfect. There were also some bad pairs, but at least the account balance went in the right direction. Now I have $400 to gain in next 3 weeks in order to fulfill the challenge. So we will see how it will go. But there is one positive thing now, in my opinion. Last week I talked about how low volatility was and how there wasn't much movement in the market. And my 7-day trading volume was around $60,000. And this week I got weekly trading volume around $100,000 with practically the same number of pairs. So you can see that indeed volatility is much higher. And we have a reason for that movement. On Wednesday we had the FOMC meeting minutes. Also Trump was speaking, and there were also some other things happening in the US. One of them was the US Treasury increasing its buybacks of longer term bonds. I'm not going to go too deep into all of that because that's not really my area, but after all of this, the market finally started moving much more. A lot of crypto pumped hard, and we also had a lot of shorts getting liquidated, which probably helped push the prices even higher. And so far, the prices are still holding pretty well. For me, the important part is that there's finally more movement in the market. Like last week, everything felt pretty slow, and now a lot of more is happening. And for my trading, that's definitely better. When the market moves more, my bot usually has more chances to trade, and you can clearly see that in the trading volume this week. Of course, more volatility means that it could go on the opposite direction to my positions. But still, sometimes, even if it went 10% against me, but during that way, it do 200 transactions, it's still better to have such 10% spread than 5% spread and only 20 transactions. So such volatility in this case is good for me. I also had 3 cryptocurrencies where I wasn't using my normal page trading strategy. Instead, I was doing something simple like grid trading. And I traded with Polkadot, Atom and Dash. The way I was trading them was simple. When the price dropped by around 2%, I bought more of this coin, and when it went up by around 2%, I sold the same amount. And again, if it dropped again, I bought again. So basically, I was just buying the dips and selling the small moves ups. And because crypto went up quite a lot this week, these positions almost completely closed themselves. And they gave me something between $30 to $60 profit each. So that worked pretty well. Probably I will continue with that from time to time. And from my normal pairs trading, one of my best pairs this week was Piver's Steam. That one gave me around $100 profit. So that's really good result. Another nice one was Starknet and AVNT. I actually really like this pair because there was not big spread, and still I got around $50 profit. And of course there were also some few smaller trades that gave me around $20 each. And of course not everything is green. I still have some open pairs that are currently in drawdown. I'm not going to show exactly what they are because I don't want to publish my active positions. I prefer to show the actual coins only after the trade is already closed. So if some of these positions end badly, I will show them as well. For now, I'm still holding them and waiting to see what happens. So overall, this was a pretty good week. The account went from around $5,400 to $5,600. Trading volume went from around $60,000 last week to almost $100,000 this week. A few nice pairs closed in profit. The grid trading also worked pretty well, and we are now around $380 away from the challenge target, $6,000. Of course, I still have some open positions that can change this pretty quickly, so I'm not celebrating yet. But for now, we are going in the right direction. We will see how close I can get to $6,000 by next week. So, see you!